Hey, so I know I've been a bit naughty, I haven't uploaded a video in like a month. Let's just blame that on coronavirus, shall we? Even though coronavirus isn't really to blame in this situation, but I'm gonna blame it anyway because it's shit. So today's video is gonna be a little bit crazy. This could be a really bad idea, but we're gonna do it anyway because we're in quarantine and who cares because nobody can see us. I'm going to be toning my hair / dyeing my hair with tissue paper. My most popular video at the moment is a really old video that I uploaded probably like 2, maybe even longer years ago. It suddenly started to do quite well on my channel. It's like my most popular video at the moment, and it's toning my hair with food colouring. I did this like, yeah, ages ago with food colouring. So you can go check that out if you want to see if that worked or not. So I thought because that is my most popular video at the moment, I might do like a part 2 and tone my hair with tissue paper and see if that works instead. The last time I dyed my hair was like maybe late last year, early this year, December, January, I think. And I had a balayage. It's actually grown out quite a lot. My hair is so greasy as well. I'm sorry. I've saved it for this moment all week. But I got it dyed like kind of light-ish. It's a lot lighter than my natural colour and what it was. So I don't know if this is going to work because I think this hack is supposed to work on lighter, blonder hair. My hair's quite dark, so I don't know if it will even show up at all, but we're going to try it anyway. Also, my hair does go quite brassy very quickly, so if this works, it might be quite a nice way to tone my hair. I feel like if it dyes it slightly purple, and then I wash it out and it gradually fades out, that might help tone some of the brassiness. So I'm not really doing it to dye my hair purple because I don't really want to dye my hair purple. I'm doing it to tone the brassiness. But then if you want to dye your hair purple, this might also be helpful. So anyway, I'm going to shut up and get into the video because I know that's what you're all here for. Before I do, if you like this video at any point, please just make sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe so you can possibly see another video from me in the next month. Maybe not, who knows. That's not a very good way to advertise myself, is it? Oh well. So apparently to do this you need 3 things, and that is a bowl of hot water, tissue paper, and salt. So this is my tissue paper. I've gone for like the darkest purple. I feel like that will give off the best colour. So let's give this a go. I've got an old t-shirt on, a friend's one. I've actually just found a cape, a Halloween cape that I'm actually going to use to protect myself. Ready to party! So here we go with the hot water. Right, I might need 2 of these because my hair is really long. It might be okay, it might be okay. Might just have a little bit of lime scale in there, but that's okay. A little bit of lime scale never hurt anybody, am I right? Need to wear gloves. In it goes. Oh, it's seeping down, can you get that? There we go. Added some more. I'm just going to keep adding it until it gets really dark. Tissue paper's starting to get a little bit lighter, as you can see, which is great. While it's in this stage, I am actually going to add some salt. Apparently you're meant to do that, and I forgot. This reminds me of that scene in Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, the original, obviously, when he goes to see his mum in the washing up thing. Oh, there's a rogue bit of yellow there. She's like getting clothes and putting them into the water and doing exactly this. That's what it reminds me of. It's getting really dark now. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Oh my god, that was a lot. Oh god, oh no. In the meantime, I'm gonna brush my hair. Oh my god. No, I didn't. I just accidentally. Oh my god. I'm such an idiot. What's wrong with me? Fair, it looks like it's kind of toned it already. Into it, into it. Look at this. DIY ombre purple makeup brushes with tissue paper. That's a hack in itself, and it doesn't come off, look. Pop it in this bag. Lovely stuff. I've let the bowl cool down, like, pretty much so it's like warm. Is this a good idea? I might put some Vaseline like around my hairline. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. Okay, so the good news is there's no Vaseline around. So instead I'm gonna use coconut oil and I hope that it works. I think it's time to just go for it. I think we just need to take the plunge, quite literally. So I'm gonna split my hair into 2 halves and do 1 half. And I am gonna go all the way up to the little top strand here. She's in. What have I done? What have I done? Ha 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 ha. Oh, I've got instant regret. This video better get some good views. I'm gonna put this on the table and just soak my hair so it goes all the way up here. BRB. I think we've done one side. It's looking pretty purple, I cannot lie. That is mad. If this works, I will be so shooketh. I don't know if I got all the back, hopefully I did. I do fear that because my bowl has gotten a lot lighter in colour, that all the good dye I used on this side, and maybe I should have done it all at the same time. Oh well. A bit concerned about this side, guys. I feel there's not a lot of dye. I may have to redo it. I just added some more tissue paper to some more hot water because the colour was nowhere near as dark and it just wasn't really taking as much. So before I dry my hair, I just want to tell you my thoughts. I didn't preempt, which was probably quite silly of me, was that I wouldn't have enough tissue paper because I had loads to start with, but I used like almost all of it on this side. So this side I think will turn out really good because it's taken really well. This side just didn't want to do it. I mean, it's kind of sitting on there, but I think it's just gonna not show up. If it does, it won't be anywhere near as bright as this one, so I'm probably gonna have two-tone hair for a while. We love to see it. So if you are thinking of doing this, just make sure you've got enough tissue paper and that it's the same quality, because I had to use like whatever I had left, and then I had to use like a dark red and a dark red and a dark blue, because that's all I had, and like mix it to make purple. And I thought that would work, to be honest, because the dye, like, it did come out really dark. Like, here's my bowl, but that's a lot darker, and it is purple, but for some reason it just wasn't taking to my hair. Whereas this side like took as soon as I dipped it in. I'm gonna dry it now, and I'm gonna have probably quite bright purple and quite like anemic purple on the other side. Okay, you ready? Here we go. As you can see, I was right. This side is a lot brighter purple. This side is still kind of purple, but a little bit more dull. But so far, I actually think I prefer this side, like this colour. Obviously, it's really patchy and it's not been done very well, and I think a lot of people will prefer this side. But personally, I think this side is a better colour to tone my hair. It's like a kind of ashy purple, very light, and then this is like a kind of like almost a pinky purple, which I'm not as keen on. I am just gonna curl it just to see if it makes it look any more even, because it is kind of patchy and a bit weird. But I do think this would have worked if I had enough tissue paper the first time around, and also like a dark enough, bright enough colour, like the first kind of purple tissue paper that I used. So I've now styled it, I've curled it a little bit. I do have to say, actually, the quality of my hair doesn't feel like any different to usual, which is weird because I washed it, like I just dipped it in water, tissue paper and salt. So you'd expect it to feel really gross, but actually it feels pretty healthy, weirdly. Now that it's styled, I definitely prefer this side, even though this side's way brighter. Yeah, this is just more kind of toned. So actually, this is probably quite a good comparison. This is what it looks like if you want to dye your hair with tissue paper, and this is what it looks like if you want to tone it with tissue paper. So there you go, I've given you like a side-by-side without really intending to. Perfect. But yeah, seriously, if you do want to dye it all the same colour, just make sure that you've got even amounts. Maybe have 2 bowls with exactly the same stuff in it, which I didn't do. I'm really interested to know what it would look like after a couple of washes, so I'm gonna insert a clip. I'm gonna wash it tonight and then insert a clip of what it looks like after I've washed it, and see if it's like all come out or whether there's still some that stays in, because ideally I do want it to stay in like a couple of washes, just a little bit, just so it kind of tones it gradually. But other than that, I think it's actually worked out pretty damn well, considering. Especially because my hair is so dark naturally, I really didn't think this would work. Obviously it has only dyed the blonder parts of my hair, so like all the underneath bits that are like a lot darker, it hasn't really touched, and the parts on top as well. So if you do have dark hair, probably won't work. But if your hair is lighter than mine, then it's probably gonna work, so yeah, give it a go. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think it was a success or not. And don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And why not just give me a follow on everything as well. Oh, I've got TikTok now. Don't know if you caught that in my last video or the one before where I mentioned that I've got a TikTok, but yeah, I have a TikTok now. Also, please let me know in the comments if there's any videos that you want to see, like similar to this, that you want me to do. I don't do things like this very often, so if you like it, then make sure to drop a comment and tell me you like it so that I can do more. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.